Welcome, Lakshmi. Welcome once again. And welcome to all my viewers
Thank you,
here.
Namita.
And welcome to all my viewers here of A Little Big Corner. As promised, Lakshmi and I had decided that we'll come back to you with much more insights on different emotions. The emotions can be anger, jealousy, hatred, whatever. There are a lot of things that we can talk about which actually affect our mental health so much. So we decided that we will come once in every month with certain things that affect our mental health. Right, Lakshmi?
And spiritual health also,
Yeah,
because
and
you
spiritual health.
have
You're so right. So,
because you
yeah, so you kind of compliment me, Lakshmi. You're so really, thank you so much for reminding me that. So our complete wellness package is not just about the physical health or physical well-being, but it is also about the mental and the spiritual aspect. So we decided to come up with a series of videos on everything that impacts these two aspects also. So here I welcome you to all. I welcome you all. Here with me is Lakshmi Lobo. She's a
hello.
counselor. She's a hypnotherapist, and she wears many hats. You know, every time I talk to her, it's like, oh wow, I know certain things about myself so well. Thank you for coming here, Lakshmi.
Thank you, Namita. And Namita herself is an art of living teacher, as all you followers know. And she brings a sense of peace and a spiritual understanding to our spiritual
Conversation.
health and our conversations very much, because you can't have only mental health or only physical health or only spiritual health. They are a combination that keep us fit and fine, wellness complete.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi, for your kind words. And today's topic that we decided was about anger. Anger is something that has bothered many of us. Many times we do something and then we regret about it because we think, अरे यार वो गुस्से में कह दिया, अरे यार वो गुस्से में कर दिया हमने. You know? So today Lakshmi brings some of her wonderful insights into this anger management so that we understand ourselves also better and we understand anger better. Right, Lakshmi?
Yes, understand anger better is a nice way of putting it.
So, Lakshmi, my first question to you is anger management a therapy?
Anger management is understanding your anger, understanding your emotions, because anger is an emotion,
Hmm.
and understanding how to manage this emotion. It can be a part of counseling if you feel that there are issues that are bothering you, and bringing out your anger in a way that is not a nice way, or you want a better way to manage and handle your anger. It can be a therapy which is more long term and long drawn out in case anger is coming in the way of your entire lifestyle. That means it is debilitating you in some way. मतलब वो इतना ज्यादा बढ़ गया है कि आपको उस पे कुछ अलग तरीके का अंडरस्टैंडिंग और काबू पाना है, तो फिर लंबी थेरेपी हो जाएगी, या एक दो काउंसलिंग सेशंस में आप अपने आप को समझ सकते हैं, और वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड योरसेल्फ देन इट इज इजियर टू अंडरस्टैंड योर इमोशंस. एंगर उसी का पार्ट है, अपने इमोशंस का पार्ट है.
Wow. This brings me to another question, Lakshmi. क्या anger अपनी अंदरूनी चीज से बाहर आता है या किसी बाहरी रीजन से आता है? जैसे is anger an intrinsic thing, or does it come out because of some external thing, or what triggers an anger? That should be my, you know.
Very, very interesting question, because many of us think that anger जो आता है, मुझे जो anger आता है वो बाहर से आता है. मतलब because somebody behaves like this or behaves in a fashion that I don't like, या situation ऐसी है कि मुझे choice ही नहीं है, मुझे anger ही करना है, या कोई पुरानी मेमोरी है जहाँ पे इनजस्टिस हुआ है, अगर आपको या आपने देखा हुआ है इनजस्टिस, तो ये तीनों चीजों को बाहर से एंगर आता है. ऐसे अब we feel it. We feel it कि एंगर बाहर से आता है, पर एक्चुअली जो एंगर होता है ना, जो गुस्सा होता है या क्रोध होता है, वो अपने आप अंदर ही रहता है. इट इज आवर ओन इमोशन. ये इमोशन बाहर आता है क्योंकि वजह हो सकती है उसकी. ये वजह हम हमेशा कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं. जो वजह होती है एंगर की, एंगर बाहर आने की, एंगर तो है पर एंगर बाहर आने की वजह जो होती है, इस पे अपना कंट्रोल नहीं होता है. So when we cannot control that, then we get disturbed when this anger emotion comes out. When we understand that when the anger is coming out, we can manage the anger. How it comes out can be managed. वो anger को express कैसे करते हैं, वो anger को manage कैसे करते हैं, anger पे काबू कैसे करते हैं अपने आप के anger पे, फिर हम समझते हैं कि anger अपने आप के अंदर से ही बाहर आ रहा है, तो उसको हम अंदर ही अंदर कैसे मैनेज कर सकते हैं.
Right. So,
That's the question. So anger is within us. External situations helps us takes out that anger or makes it like an excuse to take out the anger. But we can manage and control the anger within ourselves inside.
wow, that's like, you've given one short summary of the entire this answer also. Lakshmi, my another question to you is there any emotion behind anger, या जो भड़ास बाहर निकलती है उसके पीछे कुछ और इमोशन भी होता है?
Anger itself is an emotion. वो खुद ही emotion है anger. जो भड़ास बाहर निकलती है या rage आता है, that is a very intense form of anger. अपना जो एंगर है वो उसी पॉइंट पे हम मैनेज कर सकते हैं जहां एंगर है या अनॉयंस है, यानी कि थोड़ा खिचखिच होता है, कुछ ट्रबल होता है, अपने को पता है कि ये दिस इज बिल्डिंग अप, you know, so that annoyance we can understand, become aware of. Maximum we let it go up to an anger which we can again understand, काबू अपना है. वो जब उसको भड़ास हो जाता है तो वो रेज हो जाता है. सो दैट्स अ डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ योर एंगर, जो बाहर से इतना जोर से आ जाता है कि अपना कंट्रोल उस पे से चला जाता है, फिर वो एंगर बाहर हो जाता है और इट्स गॉन, इट्स आउट ऑफ एवरीवन्स हैंड्स देन.
मेरा ऐसा क्वेश्चन है कि some people express anger outside, and while some hold on to it, and many people say, गुस्सा मत करो, and it is so easier said than done. So why does all this happen? ऐसा क्यों होता है?
Very true. Actually, you're right. कि some people manage their anger by throwing it outside, and some people manage their anger by keeping it to themselves. Both ways are ways of managing anger. They are what we call coping mechanisms. मतलब how do we manage this anger? इसको हम कैसे manage करते हैं? ये अलग-अलग तरीके से people manage their anger. So when they are expressing outwards, sure, you can express outwards, but how you express it, with the intensity you express it, these can be managed and controlled by you. Maybe somebody will write out. So it's an expression that you put out. Maybe somebody will speak something but without hurting words. That can also be an expression. And you can have a very angry expression where you use bad language, where you use your physical violence, where you take it out in such a intense form that that expression is not a good expression of anger, because it has left control. It has gone outside your control. Similarly, when you take it inwards, which is, I just won't talk about this anger, or you ignore the anger. The negativity, just like I said, it goes out of control when it's outside. If it becomes physical violence or very angry words, which then you cannot take back. Similarly, when you do it inwards, sometimes the anger is so intense. The anger is the same, it's the same intensity. But you decide to cope with it by turning it inwards on you. When you turn your anger inwards, and it's a very deep anger, it leads to depression, it leads to a lot of mental health problems, which need to be resolved then separately. Under therapy, maybe it can affect you even emotionally. And then there's always a effect on the body with a lot of rage. which you turn on to yourself. So typically anger turned on to yourself becomes depression. So anger, if you say ki you can manage the intensity of the anger, then it doesn't matter whether you express the anger outside or you express it inwards. It is the intensity of the anger that you need to control and manage.
Lakshmi, that actually now, if I think of your whatever answer you've given me just now, so is anger a choice? If so, how do I manage it better?
Anger as an emotion is not a choice. We all have anger. It is a primary emotion, just like we all feel fear. We cannot escape the feeling of fear. We cannot escape the feeling of anger. We cannot escape the feeling of love also, or joy also, contentment. These are feelings that we can't escape as sentient beings, as humans, and even animals. You will see an animal get angry, feel fearful, feel loving. It's not possible to escape them. It is how you express these emotions, that is what you can control. So yes, you can control your anger, you can manage your anger, because it is an emotion that will affect others in a negative way and affect you also in a negative way. There are positive ways of managing your anger, of course. Same way, you can learn to manage your fear also, just another negative emotion that all of us are born with. How we learn to manage our fear, the same way we can learn to manage our anger.
So how
So
do
the
I,
expression of anger, Namita, to come back to your question, the expression of anger is a choice, not anger. Anger is there.
so how do we manage that?
I think self-awareness, which I think through even a lot of spiritual understanding and objective mental health understanding, behavioral understanding, we can come to an understanding of this negative emotion of ours called anger and become aware of it. So self-awareness would be the first step towards understanding and managing your anger. Once you know what are the reasons that you become angry, what are the triggers that are available, that are around you, sorry, for making you angry, then you know that, okay, these are the reasons, these are the situations, these are the people maybe, or triggers of memories maybe that make me so very angry. Once you start understanding that, then you can come to the next step of, okay, now how do I express this anger? If I prefer expressing outwardly, then how do I do it so that I do not disturb the entire situation around me? And if I express it inwardly, then can I understand how I can let go of this anger once I have understood it?
So should one get rid of anger totally? Is it possible? कि मतलब मैं बिल्कुल गुस्सा नहीं होऊंगा आपसे.
नहीं, ये तो possible ही नहीं है. This is then putting yourself into the zone of magic, imagining कि नहीं, I am God and I cannot get angry. Well, actually, even our devas get angry. We have enough of angry gods. So that is to make us understand again that anger per se is not something that we can get rid of. But how we manage our anger is certainly in our hands.
Nice. Such a delightful conversation, insightful conversation. जो मुझे इतनी सारी बातें थी, मेरे को ऐसा लगता था कि नहीं एंगर तो शायद किसी की वजह से होता है या फिर बट आपने बताया कि ये तो बिल्कुल it is all intrinsic things.
Yeah.
Really.
So anger is part of us. It's part of our emotions. We can use anger positively when we get very when you mention whether I express it inward or outward. So one of the expressions of anger can be to help yourself into motivation. Like if you feel a sense of injustice that triggers your anger, then yes, then you can try and do something to make that injustice situation into a form of justice and lower your anger, manage your anger, understand your anger. So you can always use it positively. The stress and the anger that you feel can be used positively.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Really, there's so many insights on anger that you just now told. मुझे एक बात याद आ रही है ऋषि दुर्वासा की, जो बहुत बार हमारे कथाओं में बताया गया है. उन्हें बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आ जाता था और उनके गुस्से से, क्रोध से सब परेशान है। पता नहीं क्या श्राप मिल जाएगा, बट जिस किसी को भी अगर उनसे श्राप भी मिला है ना, तो उसका कल्याण ही हुआ है। तो
एग्जैक्टली
आपने जैसे बताया, ये हम वी कैन नॉट गेट रिड ऑफ एंगर, so this is one aspect of it that you mentioned.
पर आपने स्टोरी बता के बहुत अच्छी तरह से मतलब उसको बांध दिया है, यू नो, विद द स्पिरिचुअलिटी दैट वी हैव, वी अंडरस्टैंड कि यस, जो श्राप मिला है, इट इज अ स्टेपिंग स्टोन इनटू अंडरस्टैंडिंग योरसेल्फ, टू डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द सेल्फ, पर्सनल ग्रोथ आता है उसमें से। तो एंगर को तो ऐसे झाड़ू के जैसे निकाल नहीं सकते हैं। एंगर है, पर एंगर को कैसे समझना है, एंगर से हम उसका एंगर अंडरस्टैंड करके उससे फायदा क्या अपने आप को उसका हो सकता है, इसको सोचना है।
Really, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके। आई एम वेरी श्योर कि हमारे जितने भी व्यूअर्स हैं, जिन्होंने ये अगर देखा है वीडियो पूरी तरह से, तो उनको भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा ये। थैंक यू सो मच लक्ष्मी, आपने अपना इतना कीमती वक्त निकाला और हमारे साथ बात करी।
Thank you for the ending story, which kind of tied the whole anger emotion together so well. I do hope everybody, all our viewers, have enjoyed understanding anger, and that next month we'll come back to you with another topic.
Yes.
Thanks, Namita.
Thanks. And we will continue this series of one or the other factors or aspects that affect our mental as well as our spiritual health.
Yes.
So stay tuned for the next topic with me and Lakshmi on A Little Big Corner.
Thank you.